he brought some great names to the game. When he was the boss at Celtic Park, he taught them how to play football. He made the greatest of them all. Gallagher and Quinn have left their mark, and they gave us James McRory and Paul McStay. They gave us Johnston, Tully, Murdoch, Auld and Hay. And most of the football greats have passed through Parkhead's gates on to play football the Glasgow Celtic way. In 38 there was a show. Glasgow was the place to go. A model of the tower was football's prize. England sent four of the best. They didn't meet with much success, 'cause the trophy ended up in paradise. And they gave us James McRory and Paul McStay. They gave us Johnston, Tully, Murdoch, Auld and Hay. And most of the football greats have passed through Parkhead's gates on to play football the Glasgow Celtic way. For coronation time was here, 53 that was the year. Another four from England met their doom. They said we'll have to try again, 'cause like before it was in vain, because the cup is in the Parkhead trophy room. And they gave us James McRory and Paul McStay. They gave us Johnston, Tully, Murdoch, Auld and Hay. And most of the football greats have passed through Parkhead's gates on to play football the Glasgow Celtic way. Well then in 1957 we faced a guy called Georgie Niven. The game is etched on every Celtic fan, with Wilson, Mockin and McPhail and Wally Fernie scored as well. A Celtic beat the Rangers 7-1. And they gave us James McRory and Paul McStay. They gave us Johnston, Tully, Murdoch, Auld and Hay. And most of the football greats have passed through Parkhead's gates on to play football the Glasgow Celtic way. For 10 years they had gone, and so to Portugal we had to go to play the team that Italy adored. Celtic went out to attack. They won the big cup and they brought it back. It's the first time it had been on British shores. And they gave us James McRory and Paul McStay. They gave us Johnston, Tully, Murdoch, Auld and Hay. And most of the football greats have passed through Parkhead's gates on to play football the Glasgow Celtic way. the Celtic fans did proudly sing. Larson is the king of kings, and he joins the list of famous Celtic men. And they gave us James McRory and Paul McStay. They gave us Johnston, Tully, Murdoch, Gold and Hay. And most of the football greats have